Hello, this is Stacy from 2 Weeks in a Hammock, and Vince and I are in the car. We're heading out for a weekend away at Hoist Lakes up near Osable River. So this is my first time going there, and it is October 8th, and we're actually just going for a weekend. So this is a little bit different for us because we usually are packing for long trips, and I just thought I'd ask Vince a few questions about how he packs differently for a 2-night trip instead of a 2-week trip. So Vince, what do you think? What was different in your process?
Well, first of all, this is Friday. We're anticipating getting there Friday afternoon, and we want to get there early enough to set up before it gets dark. And we're probably going to leave Sunday morning. So we're probably going to be there 36 hours, really.
But it is like almost a 2-mile hike in to the camping site. So it's not entirely car camping.
It's not car camping. We will, once we leave the parking lot on Friday, we will not see the car again until Sunday. So it's not car camping.
But it's not that far away if we need to get something from the car.
Right. In case of emergency, we can always run to the car.
Yes.
So, usually the first day, we grab some lunch on the road. I don't think I needed to bring any food at all for this entire trip. Sunday morning, we'll pack all of our stuff up and hit the road. So, don't really need to pack food for Sunday.
Well, you need food for Saturday or you would starve.
Wouldn't starve, and people we're with I'm sure there's an abundance of food.
Actually, that's true. It's always good to camp in a group. You probably could just get by. Okay, now that you said that, I would believe that. You could get by with borrowing nutty bars from Robin, or Tim's usually got some extra snacky stuff. So
I personally brought probably a week's worth of food. Stacy doesn't know it yet, but I also packed a block of pepper jack cheese because I like cheese. I'm lactose dependent.
Yeah.
And the whole bag of donuts.
A bag of donuts? You did not tell me that. Now, yeah, that's not good. Those might get eaten before we get there. We got like a 3-hour drive.
No, but they're I'm saving the donuts for coffee. Those are coffee donuts.
Where are the donuts? We're having coffee right now, actually. So we probably should tap into the donuts. Clothes. Okay, so when I packed clothes for this trip, it almost felt like, why even pack any clothes? The highs are going to be around 70, lows are going to be mid-50s. I feel like I could probably just literally we're only going out 2 nights, I could wear the same clothes the entire time. Unless I got wet.
Or just nothing at all.
Well, I'm not going to do that.
We are expecting a lot of rain.
Yeah.
We are not expecting cold temperatures.
Nope.
It's supposed to be in the 60s the whole time.
And this is October in Michigan, so we're having some relatively warm weather. Last year at this time, actually it was Halloween weekend last year we camped. We had a low of 17 degrees and a winter storm move in on us. So last year we had a winter storm move in while we were camping, and we ended up leaving a little bit early to get out ahead of it because we didn't want to get caught in the ice. So this year is much warmer. We do have some rain, which, depending on if we get there during this gap of no rain that we're expecting this afternoon, we might be able to set up without the rain, but it's been raining up there this morning. So either way, everything's going to be wet. Not sure about the prospects for a bonfire. I have yet, even though I've been camping with Vince for a number of years now,
Campfire. We keep it small. We don't make bonfires.
Well, we'll see about that. even though I've
Because
been...
we're responsible.
We are. Even though I've been camping with Vince for a number of years, I have yet to set up in the rain. I don't think I've done that. Occasionally it's been a little bit rainy when we've taken down, but I really haven't been on a trip that's been a real washout when we've had to actually set up or take down our equipment. We've had times where we've just stayed in the hammock because it was raining out. That was fine, but once we get in tomorrow, we should have some nice weather. We should be able to hike around and enjoy the area.
So yes, we are expecting rain. And even though it's a short hike and it's only 2 miles, and maybe because it's a short hike in, I probably have a heavier backpack than I would normally want. So I'm expecting it to be a hot hike in. I'll get heated up easily, so I'm probably, even if it's raining, I'm probably just going to hike in shorts and t-shirt. I'm actually wearing swim shorts, so they should dry pretty quickly. I'm not worried about it. Clothes for sleeping in, I have packed separately in a dry bag, so they should still be dry tonight when it's time to go to bed. I do have frog togs as an outer layer. Not very durable, but they keep most of the water out.
Yeah.
I have a polyester fleece pants and sweatshirt, which will not really absorb water, so if they do get wet, they'll still keep me warm. No cotton, other than I do like to sleep in a cotton hoodie and shorts, so that's the only cotton I believe that I have. So rain, we're going to be in the woods, ground's going to be wet. I am going to be wearing my leather backpacking boots, which are not waterproof, but they are very, very water resistant. They're just good old natural leather boots. Scarpa is the brand, S-C-A-R-P-A. And they're probably about 10 years old now. Hat. And be in the rain, it's important to have a ball cap with a brim to keep the rain out of your glasses.
I did bring one.
I can wear my red hat.
No, I don't want to. Red hats are, it's not my favorite color for a hat.
She'll just put it that way. I guess that's about it for clothes.
Well, looks like no campfire tonight.